Hey everyone, welcome to a journey that can transform your approach to work and life. The 5-hour work week for online business. Automate your tasks and free up your time. Imagine this. Your online business running super smoothly, like magic. You get to take back your time and focus on the stuff that matters. Cool, right? Let us check out the easy ideas of the 5-hour work week and how they can jazz up your online business. Chapter 2. Close your eyes and picture your business doing its thing smoothly. Even when you are chilling. Magic, right? That is automation. Cool tools can handle stuff like sending emails and chatting with customers. You are left with time to dream up new ideas. Automation in online business involves using tools and software to perform repetitive tasks, saving time and reducing manual effort. Examples include automated email marketing, social media posting, and customer support bots. Chapter 3. Teamwork makes the dream work. High fives for teamwork. Let pros handle tasks that you are not crazy about. You must go for outsourcing tasks, which involve hiring external professionals or agencies to handle specific aspects of your business. This can include content creation, graphic design, or administrative tasks, allowing you to focus on core business functions. Your time is precious, so use it for stuff you love that pumps up your business. Chapter 4. Make your business shine online. Your online spot is like your business's front door. Let us make it shiny. Learn to keep your website and social media looking awesome and working super smooth. This way, every online chat and click helps your business grow. An optimized online presence not only enhances user experience but also contributes to brand consistency and trust. Streamlining websites, social media, and other digital platforms helps create a cohesive and effective online brand identity. Achieving work-life harmony involves balancing work commitments with personal life and well-being. Time blocking, prioritizing self-care, and creating a schedule that aligns with both business success and personal fulfillment are essential components. A scalable business can grow without a proportional increase in resources. A location-independent business is designed to operate from anywhere, providing flexibility for business owners to work remotely. The new rich mindset, as proposed by Ferriz, emphasizes valuing experiences over material possessions. It is about finding fulfillment in life by prioritizing freedom, flexibility, and meaningful experiences rather than chasing traditional notions of wealth. Ferriz encourages a mindset of experimentation and learning from failure, trying out different strategies, learning what works for you, and iterating based on experiences are crucial aspects of personal and professional growth. Chapter 5. Finding your groove. Life is like music, right? The 5-hour work week is about finding your rhythm. Learn to block time smartly, take care of yourself, and plan your days so your business rocks and you still have time for fun. As we wrap up our tour of the 5-hour work week for online business, remember, it is all about grabbing your time, trying out new cool things, and making your work fit into your awesome life.